Today's video, I can fix my Barbie, and this is I did my Barbie, or put the hands here like there. She's sing. It's too loud. She's hair is too long. We're gonna cut it now, and this is here face. Watching the video, please like and subscribe and comment to my videos. And this is my so this is the album, and we're gonna know you guys may sapatos na pala to at hindi ko mahanap to, guys. So, ito na siya. Pag hihiga siya, tingnan mo, guys. Nakapikit siya, guys, habang hihiga. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung feet niya. Nagmamodel yan. Kaya niya din hiwawak sa So, yun lang yung vlogs ko. No. Hindi natin yung vlogs natin. Wait lang, guys, may kukuhanin lang ako. Bantayan niyo muna to. May gagawin na ako. A few moments later to.
Ang pasoy dyan.
A few moments later. Hi, tapos na ako, guys. Ganito yung electric ko.
Bigneter yung L.
So, yan. Guys, mahaba na po yung buhok ko. Sabi ni mama, gugupitin ito, pero ayaw. Pinipilit niya talagang gupitin. Sana magpagupit kami dyan sa ibang pagupitan. Pagupitan mo lang. Maganda pa din magupit.
Patay, mipin ito.
Ito lagi ang laruan ko kapag wala akong laruan na maisip. So marami pa naman ako laruan dito. Kagaya ng Barbie. Ano ba siya? Yung Barbie and like a car and like a princess and makeup. That is my old toy.